matter of fact, the heat, and I'm talking about the heat in the north, when we go play polo.
Should be the same that here the Port Harcourt.
Wait now. Couldn't go to Port Harcourt, say don't they complain.
Say heat day.
Say heat day.
This one na heat where they here they different from heat where they not so.
Oh, not to heat. Kunle, when we play the polo finish come down, they turn us. Glucose standby. Ambulance standby. Then
wait.
Well, you never go north before.
No, not
as in South how many years ago? Never 20 years ago.
I served for Kano.
Which year?
Don't even say.
And Kano's a bit hot too.
No, 1990, 2001. 2001.
That same time me I serve.
You know, say one thing. Say that time, you dey carry water, you dey carry water, pour for bed like this for your foam. You go pour on like this for foam. For your foam, you go soak the foam, lie down for the bed. If God help you, you no stand up again another 1 hour to pour that water again.
Why? The water go boil?
Yeah, man. You must stand up in another 1 hour to pour another water, and that place, you know, they go fetch water for tap. But the water for tap hot pass, so you get to go fetch for well. We did down.
There are well deep pieces.
You know what they call amu? Amu na water pot odudu. Their own.
Okay,
you know,
yeah.
Their own
that clay
rubber
pot.
No, they na clay pot, but you know they see them. If they inside ground, they put it inside ground.
Okay, yes, they'll cake it around.
Exactly.
They'll cake it around with mud.
So if you want collect water now, you can't
usually
cover.
sprinkle water on the mud.
Yes. If you want to take water, you know say like here now if you want to take water, you open the thing like this, take water. But there if you want to take water, you go open now. Go down.
Go down.
But at that time, only that time if you get cold water. Or else you know go fit get cold water.
And there one place for Sokoto where you know there's something about the north, because they know how their weather is hot. Do you know say the government take pleasure in planting trees along the road?
Along the road.
Double.
For shade.
For
double.
Or not?
Yes,
no, definitely.
For
double trees along the road. You understand? Now, for Sokoto, one youth couple will go there. If they timing, then get timing. What people need to work out between 12 and 3
in the afternoon.
In the afternoon, is a timing for you not to move around. The couple they go find where and go south. In no get experience now from here and go there. Under the sun, the copper the worker. People they already positioned under trees.
To help.
As the copper the worker, they track they come. People they under tree, they pity them. Say someone clean self. As the copper worker manage reach under one tree, then the fence also play later and say, come. Where are you from? You won't kill yourself, I think. Because you don't under this tree. First. When fall knock, you ask us that question again. The girl they will have skin change, salt everywhere her body. If they have the height of dehydration. Now, do you also know that in Dubai?
Nigeria they go.
In Dubai,
we experienced it in 2012.
They get no till Dubai na desert first of all, where they turn to city.
Jesus.
So between I think that between 12 and 3 or so, there's a time frame where nobody do open market for Dubai for that Diara. You know Dubai city now. For Diara the market side.
Yes, that's it.
If you open market by that time, then get tax force there. The tax force no go come meet you too.
All their shops get AC now. You want that?
Wait now. I tell you say then get time where you know supposed to sell. Where they call automatic break. I think it's between 2 and 3. So, I mean 12 and 3. 12 and 3 or so. Now, when I go there, I come to talk to one man say, okay, one person the man say, people they watch him. Say, make I come back by 4. I be 5 safe. Now I mean the market they stay till 8, 9.
For night, yeah, for night. Yes, for night.
So make I come back by 5. I say, why don't you sell for me now? They say, no, people they watch him. Say, if him talk to me too much, when the break period pass, the tax force will come meet up. Say, collect money. I say, why don't collect money for you? Say, because they will say, I want to kill myself. That's the language. So, Dubai to the observer, because of the heat. People they say, hey.
I agree with you.
People say, hey, fire. You see your post now.
I agree with you.
Somebody will open
because
they get off and small. The another person can say, somebody forget to close fire door. Say the door will not close.
Somebody right here say not own a natural heat now, but say Port Harcourt own a man-made.
Na lie.
Who they do have?
The suit. When the Ghana they complain.
Oh, right that one.
No, the suit don't chop off the ozone layer to our side here.
So nothing they protect the sun.
The sun now don't get direct access to parts of Port Harcourt, especially old GRA.
And that's the Ghana side.
The Ghana side now suit. The Ghana say no fit sleep, say no fit breathe. They put that on Facebook.
I see.
The sharp. So the man made.
See, one thing we say, I know say for Dubai, every bus stop get AC. And the bus stop they know they're too far from each other. In case you trek small, like Garrison and Waterline is too far. You must have after Waterlines.
Maybe like Garrison and.
So you get for St. John's. From St. John's you get for Garrison. For Garrison you get for Art and Craft.
Craft Center.
Craft Center. Just as it did so. Because the only way.
CFC.
Yes. The only way where they fit survive for that Dubai now, make AC day every bus stop, or else you go just they melt as they go. You want they melt like candle. You want they melt like wax. You just they melt before you reach us there. If you don't short, you know if you don't pass like this.
Waiting with that ice. Waiting with that ice cartoon.
Snowman.
Snowman. It be snowman.
Because just they melt they go because the heat. In fact, they make us just let me encourage our brothers and sisters. Please, we are encouraging you. Just manage this.
You see, I know that Nkitas are more loyal.
That's some people.
No, Nkitas are the most loyal dogs.
Dog species.
Nkitas are most loyal dogs.
Yes,
dog species.
Because one, they are very economically conscious minded.
Where there's no food.
They know where they belong.
They know that the economy is hard. So all what they need you to do is to open their gate for them to go and hustle.
Their meal.
There's enough Rwanda dustbin hanging on top
on the road,
on the
old pavement of
so
everywhere.
Just allow them. When they go also come back for night, they feed they back.
No
do their job.
No injection. They do the
job.
Once they get small fever, they know where to go. They know all their medicine for bush, grass. They will go chop all. Wow, well, bah.
Come punch for you.
Once they don't come punch. Once they get belly,
they sick.
Once they get belly, in order for you to secure the pregnancy,
you have to tie.
Make the pregnancy.
You have to tie it rope.
You have to tie it.
Tie it waist.
And keep
not just on that rope with the akara cloth.
The most of them say they don't even know who even get the belly.
I don't tell you.
Because the other dog
has entered, that's what they know.
The other dogs for the area
you got surprised. Dog when he get very white. When him born 7. 4 black. 2 black. 2 brown. 1 white. No white. You find the wonder. The mixture of the color of black, brown, and the wonder. Who give this dog belly?
Because they like Adire cloth.
If I say they're damp, like printer, they print damp something. So they're economically conscious.
Yes.
They don't take tablet like, hey, Michael go say, oh, vaccine, oh, 20,000, 30,000. And Kita, if you insist to choke him dead, show him die.
I thought you gave him a dog now. When you see people now in the hide by himself, he go hide.
Dog from Benue. They're not telling you the original.
Oh my goodness.
So those dogs are more friendly. Every morning they sit up for ask the mouth, just a clean lick their body. We are
by themselves.
Either
you have them or you don't have
I said that who get tight. Thick, then they will enter their body. Thick. You don't get the kita. You don't throw the kita before.
Yes.
We call her Jimmy.
We grow with Nkita.
Jimmy.
We grow with Nkita.
Our own Murphy.
In them now whiskey.
Okay, whiskey good.
Whiskey.
Yes. It's a popular name for
Murphy.
That time when they call him whiskey, the INEC FEDECO.
Of your whiskey.
Of your whiskey. Papa, because of your whiskey. Again, I know.
Of your whiskey, make a dress. You be like a party loose.
Oh my God.
Let's go to whiskey.
UPN. Can't call our dog whiskey. Now, Mama, we
don't see thick for a body before.
Whiskey get thick. Would they call him happy?
Happy,
Would they come out?
no, let it think them not say that they want that because my whiskey had a poto command.
The whiskey now the whiskey was a correct dog.
Our Jimmy
It was not an Inkita.
It's an Inkita.
No, it was not an Inkita.
No. Oh God.
An Inkita, for you to bear that name, Inkita, you must be exactly as how Henna was described.
Our Jimmy,
Inkita na breed.
our Jimmy na wife.
You know, say that African something dog. Where we got that Inkita? What you not get was the African blah blah blah, and they forget the name of the breed. Inkita, now they just
one dog not normal. They will call African something. They want Olumba woman for number 71 Nanka.
She get
Mamo Wiba. You know, so they call them according to your Pekin.
Yeah, Pekin.
Like now, they're gonna call him.
Papa Mekele.
Papa Mekele.
Papa Nengi.
Nengi, na easy pass. Now, Mamo Wiba, with the whole year they quarrel. Now she buy dog. Call the dog name, then go tire. When the woman they quarrel, they walk past.
Then go
tire. The woman go the vest. The dog go come, where, come shake tail. Annie, I don't want to argue with these people.
No argue with
They
them.
come to promote their business.
But I know what they talk
Dog
about.
wey bite me. They say no train dog when I lie. Me and Max they for 7 years.
It doesn't mean.
7
Do you have
years.
his time?
Max they climb my bed, the piece of my bed I beat and flog her. Max enter my room. Max
Since that time,
everything.
before he bite you, do you have his time?
What caused the biting? Is not
It's
have
what?
his time. It's not because of
It's what?
I'm not
Lost
saying.
then, lost why?
What caused the biting? Is
You
because
see.
I bought other dogs to
Come they
join-
go play with.
to come join Max, so that
Come leave her.
Max with the other dogs can form a dog colony
Call on
for
to
my
protect.
for where
As a dog headsman.
where I moved to.
As a dog
As a
best
dog-
man.
So
Okay.
Max come they bite the bull mastiff. Max na Caucasian Assasian breed together. If you see that,
They don't
dog-
know the breed.
No, no,
Because they
Caucasian
mix them.
Assasian na cross.
It's in a mix.
If you see that dog,
Like
Max, I miss Max. Max was jealous.
Was the
You know, what they're supposed to
Russian-
talk?
He leave the dog. They go play with other dogs.
Small one.
We Max, him be the main guy when in the house. Max go to look his guy say, "God, this guy they can't me play." Since when these small children just enter this house and then they rest. Hey,
Now
if you see what they didn't do,
another
Yes, yeah, I only had that time.
another of my friends who work for Ajib. He don't deal with this dog for 4 or 5 years. Don't deal with the dog.
what didn't do the dog?
Nothing.
No, something.
Something
must
must
be.
So waiting, I know buy another dog.
Maybe don't give her in cookie or
Wait.
something.
Waiting
This
this dog do one.
What did happen?
Now I don't think the dog do one.
Why you go where Max face cap cover himself they walk up and the dog know that kind of person.
Now the dog now forgot how they pick him up.
What, the dog drag and reach gutter?
Yes, the dog bites. If you
I
see
say
how
no,
they hang the
they
man leg
don't do as something.
for this thing
bed.
for hospital. That is the dog begin bite am from compound, run out of a compound. They struggle with the dog. Now inside gutter, where they go bring out the man.
You don't do that dog something.
Now,
Look at the dog. He did it.
now wait, now dog don't deal with am.
Now like when go
Don't
play
be
small
dog.
lock.
You go small juju.
Then go play small lock come out. See, make I tell you
Dog
something.
dey like up.
My dog Suarez,
Hey,
Call it that nonsense.
he know me very well, but friendly dog. One morning,
which breeding do you get
na
that?
Caucasian, very wonderful Caucasian.
Say, you get wonderful Caucasian.
Yes, so if you see that, you
go.
go know. Like Michael Caucasians are very wonderful, good breed.
And then Russian gold crackers.
No, it's Caucasian. Now one morning, Russia crackers. One morning,
My dog be like
my own dog go.
I just wanted this
Now the
best.
Russian
Everybody.
crackers.
My dog now 1 year old.
Now one morning,
It's okay, it's okay.
you know why? Dogs are very sensitive. Treat them well.
Yes.
He know me. And they come out, wear tie, come back, wear shirt, come back.
Where's your digger?
No,
They never see you
wear shirt,
pants.
they never see me.
He never see you
So
pants.
one morning I say, man, I can't go check my water for radiator. As I wake up now, we are boxers. We ordinary body look like small Oyibo guy. He don't see me when I come out from my room. Go open bonnet. They check oil. The next thing I see, the dog come out. Whoop! Na me go that advisor. Na me Suarez. Na me now look me. Focus on where boxers. Now they open and they check. You don't see why they explain to dog say and they check oil for my.
And you don't say one woman.
Make it not bite me.
You don't say one woman don't get dog. Come on, she won't come out. When she make up, come out.
The dog don't know her.
If you see backing, the dog, no, naturally explain to the dog. Let me get you. Until she begin clean the foundation. Eyebrows, sportsman.
It's good to have dogs in the house
that are friendly.
No, wait.
Now you go make them.
Now you go make them friendly
to the family.
Yeah,
but not friendly to the outside.
No. So it's good to have dog because one, dog will alert you when you sleep. At least. First of all, you go alert. That alert is very important.
We have one in Kita where they serve the whole street, the whole community, the whole street for area. Only the back. But at least the backing, you must quickly. You don't hide touch light. They check everywhere, but you must hear from the back.
So it is for us. We agree with the Kenyan people. It's good to have dogs in the house.
Find one dog. And then
make we also understand one thing clear. Say when you get dogs in the house, you feed them or you don't feed them or anything, they are very friendly. Yes. Apart from the security work with the dogs, they will help you do. Because of course the ultimate security na God.
They kill snake.
They kill snake, lizard.
No lizard go even come. All my lizards now for front. Now for one they stay they look them. And the one they get to go on top the fence. Now the bad boy they look them. Because any attempt, you come down. Your attempt cannot be there.
Now, while you get dog, I think they alert. If they alert the entire area.
Yes. Something
is wrong. Somebody else will wake up from outside, see what thing they happen. So we encourage everybody to try at least get a dog. But then there's something about the dog. Study the breed first.
Every dog not the same thing.
Every dog not be the same behavior. Secondly, some dogs, and most dogs, they're extremely jealous. As you give them attention, you can shift the attention at any point to their puppy.
Even to their puppy itself.
That was why my dog bite me.
Even to their puppy itself.
To their puppy itself. They cannot move from a house. When he entered, they no green and carry dogs. I didn't get 2 dogs. Now I can leave one for my house. That one I don't try to feed them. They can't bring money. I don't try to feed the dog. I didn't treat them.
Your house now IDP dog IDP camp.
IDP camp for dogs.
I plant flower.
Now the dog go chop
with 60,000. In this hard Buhari economy.
Yeah.
Beautiful flower.
Na billion, na been which one?
They call them pretty.
Na pretty, okay.
The dog. And I get 4 dogs to be my own. They're gonna get 1 with 95 within my house. I want to appeal to the whole Port Harcourt and the whole people they watch us.
The Kenyan group.
So please help me.
Beg the Kenyans come and take his dog.
I know the worry say nobody want to feed the dog to the dog now don't pass 1 year. It's okay. But 60,000 naira flower digging. If you see digging, now for camera, I wake up for morning. The whole flowers all that. That flower pot 40 only 60,000.
Why did he dig it?
What are they called?
Why did he dig it? Why did he dig it?
Maybe they want for their grand before.
It's not good to accuse an opposition party. If the other 4 dogs are a ruling party. Now, only just my dog.
Maybe opposition.
Opposition, you are accusing him. Who resist everything. It's good. They can't look across. Say, yeah, I'm an interpreter. Now they go ask her, say, you speak Arab? She said, no, I don't speak Arab. Say, okay, interpreter. All right, we're from Egypt. Oh, Egypt, good. And they come and say, can you sing one Egypt song for us?
Any Egyptian song?
You know,
and the neighbors,
they come. Now they get to think. She think. No way, no Egyptian. She don't know Egyptian.
No Arab song.
No Arab song.
No Egyptian song.
Now she remember what Egyptian song. Pharaoh let my people go. Jehovah God is calling them. I want the people. The whole bus. The driver stop. The place.
Go drink up.
They boss they come present.
It's a lie.
They don't lie. And the conductor and the welfare people, they stop the bus.
They hope you can say laugh.
Say laugh. The just said, look at. So what kind of song is this? Who is Pharaoh?
Who is Pharaoh? Who is letting people go?
Tisa.
Oh, no, that is
That's how you say. Egyptian song. Is this song no Egypt enough?
Is that no Egypt inside?
Please let me complete it all. Pharaoh, let my people go. Jehovah God is calling them. They want to go to the private land.
Pharaoh, let my... Oh boy, which kind of people beat this?
I this is not that.
Those are interpreters.
I am telling you. These are the interpreters, spiritual spots.
Go higher.
Go higher. My brother.
Oh my goodness.
The Egyptian people, they nearly go back.
It was a reverse this guy.
Say, don't worry, we don't need this wrestling again. Because this interpreter. But Tobias is right. Pharaoh, and do you know that all these children will come, they don't know who we, they don't even know their history. I see one will get muzzled up and down. I say, where are you from? He said, he's from Egypt.
No, so that happened.
Yeah, so I say,
one guy will get muzzled. They talk with another person.
brother.
You don't know when a hand, they turn a hand, go hit the guy.
The guy.
Now they're gonna open discussion with the guy.
Sharp.
The guy is the
guy can't look
ultimate
me.
warrior.
The guy can't look me. Now me first first smile. Hello.
Before he blow you.
For wrestler.
What do we blow? Therefore carry me up like this. Like ultimate warrior. Go help me. He's asking me put Dubai. Now me can't look at. Hello. How are you? Because my yeah. I said we are from where? He said Egypt.
Only Egyptian did yeah.
No.
They don't want
Now that food you go swimming pool.
Oh boy.
Tunisia there, Algeria there will.
Egyptian just scatter the whole place.
South Africans no come.
They be like
They will come.
Maybe they go there for Visa Carina.
Visa Carina. Now South Africa hotel be that.
That hotel them go South Africa.
They curse. I think they kill our brothers there. Give them Visa Carina to the man.
Even better said, yeah, you need time.
Now look there.
For God put that for yeah, you need.
Now look there. Because I say, you know Moses? He said Moses. Who is
Moses?
He said Moses in Egypt.
You said, you like to find trouble. When did you go ask that kind of question?
That's how I know Moses in Egypt. Moses still in Egypt.
He said Moses
do that.
The guy look at me. Moses go to your hand like this. Wait. But Okada, Moses, Okada. Maybe Okada name, you know, I forget Cheyenne. 195 CD on that. Maybe Okada name there and Moses, who knows? They gonna do like Moses. I said no. Moses, Pharaoh brother. He asked me again.
Who is Pharaoh?
Who's Pharaoh? I don't know.
They don't know their history.
They know their history, but they won't know that. That way is don't ask me where is Pharaoh. Why ask me where is Pharaoh?
Suppose if in Nigeria, you just go there and say, hey, where you from? Nigeria, who cool? What about Abacha? You don't know.
You don't know Abacha.
You don't know Abacha.
Well, they said, what about Hababa Koli?
But that was over 2,000 years.
That
was over 5,000 years ago now. How many years ago?
In history. It is in world history.
You must read.
Waiting Moses do Egyptian.
They cannot
never be forgotten.
But what if they know? What if they don't want to make any of the children let them again say one Hebrew can't defeat for their hand?
Liver.
What if they don't want to make the children know?
They don't read their history. We were you don't even consign us. We know we do BK.
We know because we do BK. Then they know they do BK. They don't even make it.
Are you sure?
Hey, you are talking at the same time.
Are you sure that now no be we they carry this things for head?
Now we carry for head.
Themselves where the thing happen to.
They don't carry put for head.
Even know they have moved on.
If I write them for Red Sea.
That's what Jesus say. A prophet is not known. Once Jesus they walk out for Judea, they will look at
See how?
Oh,
Carpenter.
Watch time this carpenter become pastor. Watch how I go come for this community. Come there. Where Jesus? That my stool. Where I give it those farm. That's it be. So if Michael go people now, they don't go recognize them as comedian safe.
They don't.
They'll say, Michael.
No, Bobo.
I beg. That's so it be. And for a from outside show, like we can now. We don't even recognize the governor yet.
How?
We don't.
We do.
Small time go past.
So it means if the person go wind down.
It's supposed to wind down. We don't even recognize that.
We know.
Bet.
Everybody know.
Ordinary.
Now for TV.
Ordinary Benue State. They say they play masquerade.
Somersaulting masquerade.
They heal them. I mean, of course, they call him Mr. Project there. For Benue there, the whole banner, Mr. Project.
They don't even know his name.
Today,
actually see the governor of Rivers State, Mr. Project.
What? 200 million power.
Easy.
The thing say easy.
That's what they will.
Power. That's what explode them.
That's what they do.
You know, say you know, and you get how your head go swear rich. You no go know the money where you go through. If the body they sing for you now,
yeah, transport.
You feel, and they tell you, or they go better at the time they give you 200 to reach you more.
So, as you see also for this state, we are very good in giving things.
Yes.